Yo, uh-oh, I'm talking while the ads are running. Might be. Can you hear me? Who can hear me? Oh my god, 30 seconds left. I haven't even pulled up my VTuber model. I haven't even pulled it up yet. Lep hears me. Yo. Okay, ads are over, or it should be. Let me give it 2 more minutes. Let me just yap a little bit, and then we'll talk about the ad situation. Guys, one easy tip to dodge the ads. One easy tip. Turbo gang, let's go. Dude, Turbo. I mean, as someone who barely watches like Netflix, Prime Video, or like normal shows and only watches content brain rot, like Turbo and YouTube Premium, I'm personally happy to have them. So like, if you ad block, also cool. I can't stop you. You know, like that's fine. Like I have no moral qualms around that. But just as someone who is capable of affording stuff like that, and because I don't have like 900 other subscription services, I mean I do, but just not in content. It's a life changer. No ads is like I am out of touch. Let me say that. I am actually out of touch with the common viewer because I just, when people are like, "Oh, ads are terrible," I'm like, I just don't see them. Like browsing Twitch and browsing YouTube is like an insane time sink because you just content after content after content after content. Like it's crazy. It's crazy. I don't understand it. Chocolate Milky, thank you for the Prime. Okay, I think I can. I think I can talk a bit about some ad stuff actually. So, first of all, I run 3 minutes of ads the moment I start the stream. The reason for that is it turns off pre-rolls for the next hour, so when people start filtering in, they don't get hit with a pre-roll. That means though that if you're early, you're just watching ads really for no reason because I'm not talking. There's no content nothing's happening in the first 3 minutes. I promise you. So I think if you get in like after the first 5, you don't get a pre-roll, right? Maybe I am kind of fucking my own channel here by saying like show up later, like tiny bit later, but like you just get ads. Like I don't know what else to say. You're just gonna get an ad at that time. Now, after an hour the stream starts, I run another 3 minutes, and that's just like I need to take a break. My body physically feels ill after streaming so long. I've talked to a number of people where they experience it. So like we all try to take a little bit of a break in the hour in, and then I run an ad there. And again, I promise nothing is happening. I take a stretch, I take some water, and then you guys can use TTS. You can play a mini game. And then the stream just keeps going. So the thing is, it's like I need that break. I need to force myself to take that break. Sometimes I don't always do it, and I feel awful when I don't. Like physically, not like, oh, it's in my brain, mentally I feel bad. No, like physically I start feeling bad in the stream. And the bonus is like, again, the next hour when people come in, they don't get a pre-roll. So that means you can like, I think you can just leave the stream and come back and you won't get a pre-roll. Right? So like, that's good, I think. How's it I got ads twice more? So here's the other thing. The last thing I'll talk about with ads, and maybe it'll make you, not freak out about the number so much. I mean, I freak out when I see ads, so don't get me wrong. I totally get it. You don't like ads. I don't like ads. I totally get it. But when you see like 12 ads, 7 ads, 9 ads, as the streamer, I control the length, right? I say run 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I don't run 5 minutes. I run 3 minutes. I always run 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the minimum to have the pre-roll cut off, right? So I run the absolute minimum to the pre-roll cut off for the next hour. What you will not get a full 3 minutes. Sometimes, maybe, who knows? It's completely dependent on where you are in the world and location and everything like that. It's completely dependent. Maybe I should not talk about this right now because like people are still filtering in, but it's completely dependent on that. So you may only get 30 seconds, you may get a minute 30, and the length is not correlated. Is correlated with how many you get, but like they could be one, like you could be getting 3 ads, but they're like 1 minute long. You could be getting 9 ads and they're like 10 seconds long, right? Like it's kind of random. Yeah, some people just don't get any. Some people don't get any. It's weird. I'm sorry. So the start of the stream I think is the worst, but like as we ease into the middle of the stream, I can like give you guys a heads up. And it will be good. Rewards. Oh yeah, so this knife thing, do exclamation mark knife, and then you can see the website and where you can see your knife collection. We're gonna have another tournament very soon. We're gonna do a knife. We have knife tournaments, so that's a lot of fun. Okay, we're like 10 minutes into the stream, so I think pre-roll should be totally off. So if you run 3 minutes up front, I don't think it kicks in right away. Let me check. Okay, let me talk about if you guys see ads on the stream. All right. Not gonna lie, showing up the first 5 minutes of the stream, you're kind of owning yourself. Okay, you're kind of owning yourself because when I start the stream, I always run 3 minutes of ads. That eliminates pre-rolls for the next hour. What that means is if I run ads at the beginning of the stream, everyone else who comes after the ads should not be getting any, right? There might be a bit of a delay, but like people who come into the stream just get to watching the stream right away. Okay. And then at the next hour, I run 3 minutes, but I can give you heads up, right? I can be like, hey, we're going to take a break right now. I need to stretch. I personally need it because I physically don't feel well after sitting down for a long time. So it's good for me. You guys, I set up a mini game for you guys, and then we can hang out for a bit. You should stretch too. I mean, stretching is important for real. Like sitting down for a long time is bad for you. And so I get water, etc., and it's good for me, right? Then so for most of the stream, I'm hoping no one's coming into the stream and getting pre-rolls unless I'm manually running the ad. But for folks who get in early, I'm sorry, like this is just the consequence of that system. You kind of get owned. You kind of straight up get owned because like there's no content happening at the beginning of the stream. I'm not like doing anything that you're missing. You're just here for the ad part. Like it literally is just schedule ad time. So if you want to watch, like I'm grateful. It's good. It's awesome. It's cool. You know, I mean, I wouldn't mind if I did that, if I knew what I was getting into. You guys can like, maybe I should, you know what I should do? I should set up a mini game in the chat because you can't watch the video, right? So I can just set up a mini game in the chat and then early birds get to do something with that, right? Maybe that's the play actually. You only stay 3 minutes. Can you do something funny? Fortnite. Okay. And yeah, if you sub, you don't get ads, etc. You could also do Twitch Turbo, which I think is awesome. And if you do Turbo and don't sub to me, I don't mind either. No subbing is absolutely necessary. Like I will ask if I need it, but like really for now, any support is completely optional. I just put it back into the stream. I try to commission people. I try to get some interesting assets together. That's what goes down. I get upgrade equipment sometimes, which I might do really soon for a new stream concept. So that's the whole ad situation. I just want to let folks know. Oh yeah, the last thing is if you get like 3 out of 5 ads, like 7 ads, 10 ads, 9 ads, it completely depends where you are in the world, depends on like the time of the year, etc. But also sometimes you just don't get them, and sometimes the number doesn't matter as much because as a streamer I control that I run 3 minutes, and sometimes you get 10 ads but it's only for like a minute and a half, as an example. I don't know if that's true, but like it's possible to get a lot of ads but it's actually shorter than the time. And yeah, that's just the way it works. Yes. Yeah. You're going to Antarctica. There you go. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Okay, let's switch over to which scene? Hello? Which scene? This scene? Hello guys, what's up? Okay, but thank you for listening to my what's up. I can talk really quickly about what we're going to do today first, but then we're going to hang out for a little bit. Yeah, shout outs to everyone coming in from the shorts. Appreciate you. Every stream we try to do something a little different, but today I might spend most of the stream building stuff, coding some things. I'm really excited about this concept actually. This is a little unusual for a Sunday stream, but I feel like I've been doing a lot of interactive stuff on Sunday, and so I want to move the interactive things to the Monday night stream tomorrow around 9 p.m. Pacific, 8:30 p.m. Pacific. And today we're going to be making things. So I'm going to be yapping a bit more. That's unfortunate, but it's an idea I'm really excited for. I really want to do it right away. All right, so channel points are enabled. Imagine watching a coding stream. I'm going to talk a lot, and you know the thing with coding, our coding streams. The thing about okay, the thing about our coding streams is, hey, hold on. Hey, okay, you done? Ow! The thing about our coding streams is they're very. I don't know why it didn't show my picture, but okay. I don't know why that broke that way, but the thing about our coding streams is they're very visual because it's OBS stream coding basically. It's like I make redeems for OBS, and so you can see it come to life like on the stream. I'm not just looking at like code for half the time. Ow. 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 Okay, we good? We done? We get out of our system? That might have been your flashbang. Okay, calm down, settle down. Have I incorporated any of Finite's financing? Yes, I mean, so much of it, like actually so much of it. I mean, I just updated their retro effects plugin yesterday because they said they added a new thing. They added analog glitch. Yeah, so let's check this out. Oh, whoa. Yeah, so they added this recently. Secondary waves. Crazy. Yeah, I mean, they power a lot of the stream. Like I'm a power user of their stuff. Don't worry. Interference. Oh, desaturation. Maximum drift. Yeah, I don't understand this one as much because I just started using it. Thank you. And Iziki, thank you for the big dog. Because I love peeing. Dogs do love peeing. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, so this is new to their retro effects plugin. Oh, there's a lot of potential here. It eats your CPU. Yeah, it is. It is really resource intensive. So you can't really have a lot at the same time. I found that out. Alpha channel too. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's interference. Okay. Wait. Why am I? Hold on. Wait. What? What? Oh, color drift. Okay. Whoa. Turn on desaturation. Primary wave. Oh, everything's wiggly. Oh, this is cool. Wait a second. Oh, this is neat. They have a CRT TV filter here too. See? I'll give him a shout out. Shout out. Finite. Clarity. Baka, thank you for the compliments earlier. Yeah, thank you. We did the song for Gene Famous. It was really fun to make. I want to do a stream where we talk about it a bit. I don't think that's today's stream, but I think I'm gonna upload it to YouTube this week. Oh, yeah. What's up, Condition Blean? Big audio effects tied to audio levels? Yes, that's possible. Now this gives it a nice bloom. Oh, my eyes. Here's a normal bloom. Yeah, there. Gives a little anime type look. Glues it all together, I guess. Blue channel. Okay, anyways, yeah. So those are effects that we do on the stream. Condition Bleed, thank you for 17 months. I think you know what? I can thank people twice. What do you want to code today exactly? I'm glad you asked. There we go. So, hold on. I gotta set up my stuff. So I actually found a way to record myself coding because you can't really see everything I'm doing at the same time. So I actually have a separate instance of OBS up to record everything. So I need to start that. Okay, hold on. All right, I think, wait. Hold on, that messed up. Okay, so that should align the videos, the clapping. What the heck? You clap, so the audio on your main video and the audio on your recorded video, like you can line them up in the editor later. Thought this was family friendly. Okay, come on guys. Archibald, thank you for the 10 bits to gigantify the emote. It's a ham. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Let me show you guys. Let me pull up my display capture real quick. And let me draw this out for you. Okay, so what I want to make here is I want to make a free look, or actually I want to make a mouse controlled OBS camera. Okay, so you see we have this scene. We have this scene here. And then when I put in this overlay, it kind of looks like a movie, right? So if you've seen the last stream, we're kind of doing this bit where I'm the director and chat is TTS. They're text-to-speech movie actors, and we like film different movies, right? But the one issue with this, I mean, I can actually move the camera around too. So like I can move the camera like this. And I can pan the camera. I have an effect to pan the camera. Right? That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so I can pan the camera and stuff, right? But, and I can move the camera around. But I realized I realized there's a way to control the camera with your mouse. Like a free look, like kind of a mouse control semi-free look camera. Kind of like a game, right? Like when you play a first-person shooter game and you use the mouse to control your camera. I think I found a way to do that. So I think how to do that is, okay, let's take our scene here. I want to draw the scene in green. Actually, no, I'm going to draw it in white. All right, let's take our scene. And we have our two actors, right? Let's say they're actors. I'm gonna draw it like this. They're actors. They're two actors, right? Right now, what OBS does is like, this whole thing is a source clone, okay? This whole thing is like its own scene. Let me just draw some, I don't know, clouds and stuff in the background too. And so what I can do is I can make a new scene that's zoomed in, represented by this green area. So that's the new scene camera. And then I can use Sammy to like nudge this scene left, or nudge it down, or nudge it right, or nudge it up, and control that with my mouse. And the other thing, is like I can also use it to zoom in to certain parts of the scene with maybe a hotkey. And so like I have a close-up of this guy. So I'm gonna make the close-up in orange. Does that make sense? But what I'm really moving is going to be this scene in the background, right? What I'm really moving is going to be this white part. Like I'm gonna be moving it up, down, left, right, and zooming in. Because I can control that source clone. I can control that copy of the scene with OBS, right? Maybe a little hard to explain unless you're really deep in the sauce, in the OBS sauce. So let me make the new scene and demo it for you, actually. I'm gonna copy some things over here, hold on. You guys can hear the music and stuff, right? No, don't remove this scene. They renamed this as camera test. Okay. Black screen. Okay. And I'm gonna take my VTuber, put him in that scene too. I think like a template scene. Hello. What else do I? Oh, I need a window capture. A window capture. Oh, right here. Okay, and this is so you can see Sammy. It's what I code in for OBS. And then I'm going to add this part. So this whole clone. Okay. Nope. Nope. Gotta move my sources properly around. It's all messed up. It's all messed up. Okay, there we go. There's chat. Everything's working. Okay, so let me get out of the way a little bit. Maybe right here. So here's how I can do this manually, right? I can take, oh my God, their feet. So I just crop that out. Here's how I can do it manually, right? I could use my, I guess I could just use my normal mouse. Wait a second. I could use my normal mouse to do this. Why do I have to code something? Hold on. What am I doing? Anyway, if I remove my face, I can like, yeah, wait, do I really have to code this? Because I can just, I can use my mouse for this. Coding stream is done. Yeah, we're done. Eat. Okay, let me just give you a demo manually, right? Oh, I do want to code this because I could add a parallax effect afterward. Okay, that's my excuse. But, you know, as I move my mouse around, I can be like, oh my God, close up to this guy, close up to this guy, close up on this guy, close up, and then like, it can be a little free moving like that. Right, and maybe I should zoom them. I should have these guys like a little farther back, right? And then so when I do this zoomed in, yeah, there we go. So it looks like this. Parallax, yeah, when you move the foreground and the background to give us sort of a 3D effect. Right, so I could have it move like this. I think I should code this. We can code it. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a source clone. So like I can move it left, right, up, down. And so if I zoom in, I have more. It's not perfect, but I have more of the concept that I'm actually moving the camera, right? Blurp the mouse to smooth it out. Yeah. Like it's not smooth right now because I have to click and hold. You guys are going nuts for these feet. This is crazy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I am back, is I'm going to make a new Sammy deck. Okay, a new Sammy deck in which you can actually get, hold on, local variable, let's say mouse X. Actually, I've done this before. I'll make sure I don't accidentally share something that... Ah, I almost did. I almost shared something really bad. Okay. Good catch. Very. Okay, mouse X. Okay, so these global variables in Sammy, they can help me get the X and Y coordinates of my mouse. So if the button only runs when I click run, but see if I click run here, it gets me where my X and my mouse X and Y is on the screen. Okay, so technically I can take that information and I think I can transform or like move, source, transform. Change source center point. Okay, I should do this too. I should change the center point. Camera, movie studio camera test. Needs the scene information. Movie studio camera test, source name, camera move set clone. Okay, yeah. Always make it the center. So I'm gonna do that every time just to make sure that it's always at the center. And then I'm going to source, change. Yeah, I can do like location, position. There we go. Supposed to change position. And so scene name, camera test, source name, the camera moveset clone. Okay, so let's just say I can move it to my X and Y location of my mouse. And then I want to set this button to update every like millisecond. Let's say 500 milliseconds just to test it. Otherwise, it might go crazy. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Look. It's moving with my mouse. Yo, it's moving with my mouse. Guys, it's actually moving with my mouse now. Okay, so now if I set it to every millisecond, it's going to be way smoother. Oh, yo, okay, that's hold on, it gets a little flashy, but we're good. Look, kind of jagged. Wonder why it's flashing. What if I... Yo, let's go. I don't know why it's flashing. Sorry. It was just kind of weird. Maybe let me set it to like 10 milliseconds and like... Hope I don't bother you. Here's a joke. Which vegetable is the best kung fu? Broccoli. I'll let it slide. Thank you for the 100 bits. Thank you. Yeah, so if you're like, I want feet, I can move it up. But why is it so bumpy? Why do people like feet? I don't know. It's like a meme. Active clone. I don't know why that's happening. Okay, so let me turn this off. Huh. Oh, you know why? Because it might be because of this. Here, it might be because of this. The move set. I'm setting the center point every time. Maybe that's causing an issue. Okay. Turn it back on. I think that might be better. Yep. That's way better. It was using the center. It was setting the center point every time, and that was just hyper redundant, doing it every millisecond. So weird OBS things. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's remove me, and now you can. Now I can actually. This is actually way better than clicking and holding it down. This looks great. Yippee! Move global mouse X10. Turn on TTS so you can try it. Not yet. Hand down. You guys are sick! You guys are sick! You guys are sick, dude. Do a live reality show of a free camera. Okay, so there is an issue. Let chat directly control the camera position. I can definitely let you control the camera position in some way, I think. Give them shoes. This is how they live. Oh, okay, tangent of a story. Tangent of the story. Here's a little tangent, but I used to have a friend. I don't know if they could be watching the stream. I have a friend who used to not wear shoes anywhere. I would only see them at conventions. Every time I saw them, they were not wearing shoes. And I just asked them straight up. I'm like, why don't you do it? And they're like, it makes your feet strong. I'm like, yeah. I mean, I didn't really question it after that. I really didn't. I mean, their feet were calloused. No socks. Well, maybe. But like definitely no shoes. What's up, Fungus Potion? Is that friend with us? Yeah, right here. Okay. So another thing I have to do is I kind of have to set a boundary for this because like, look, I don't want it to go all the way here. And I don't want it to go all the way here, like off camera. Right? So I'm going to try to find a way. I'm going to find a way to cap it, right? So I'm going to open this up. Maybe I need to make this bigger. Oh, no, you're behind me. Okay. I'm going to open up this button. I'm going to set the boundary. So let's say set local variable, X boundary. I'm going to just set it at the top. So I don't have a sense of where the boundaries are. Actually, I do. Hold on. So let's say it's for X, it's 528 and 1272. $528, 1272, and max, min max, min. I'm not a game programmer, so like I'm just brute forcing this basically. So 775 and 5. Okay, so if okay, I got it. So if mouse X is greater than oh, hold on. If mouse X is greater than Oh no, is less than or equal to x boundary minimum, or mouse x is greater than or equal to x boundary maximum, then I'm gonna make a set local variable. Okay, so I'm gonna have a new variable to put into here. I have a new variable to put, so new x, new y. Okay. So I'm gonna say new x is going to equal the barrier. Oh shit. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna try it this way. So it's gonna, if it's less than or equal, it equals that. If it's greater than or equal to, then the max, cap it at the max. Then I'm sure there's a more, I'm not reading the chat right now because I think I found my solution here. That's like a little jank, but it'll work. Oops. 3 max? No, I need this to be min. The chat's I can see it at the peripheral of my eye, and it's like, I'm scared I'm doing something really wrong. I don't want it to be very wrong. I just want it to be workable. So mouse. Okay, so copy this. Yeah, this is like actual some first year computer science stuff. Why is it mouse X? I'm so excited to read the chat after this. Okay. Okay, great. So now this will check the boundaries. Okay, save. Yes! Oh, it's not 100%, but it's working. Okay. So for some reason, it still goes out. Okay, why does it go out? Oh, you know what? Hold on. If it's less than the boundary... greater than the bound. It's greater than... What's going on here? If mouse X is less than the boundary, it should set to the boundary. So the mouse less than is not working. Something with the max? No. It's the minimum, I think. Cam is a clamp function. Wow. Wait a second, that makes everything easier. I didn't even know. I think in the back of my head, I knew what a clamp function was, but I've never used a clamp function in so long. Oh my god. I've probably used it once in my life, or like have read about it. This is how much I'm actually not programming. Wait a second. Okay, so let's keep this all here just in case. Move this up. Okay, and let's change this back to mouse X and mouse Y. Oh, okay, wait, hold on, that works. Wait, this works way better. Okay, so I definitely had something wrong with my if statement. Yes, okay, so I definitely had something wrong. Oh, wait, did you not see this? Okay, so I added these clamp functions. It's been so long since I did that. Since I've used something like this. Okay, so the X and Y is properly bounded and moving, but the No, the X is properly bounded and moving, but the Y is not. Why is that? Okay, 325. Oh, hold on. Maybe it's 775 and 325. Okay. Yes, yeah, they were inverted. They were inverted. Okay. Get it twisted. Sammy is a great way to learn the code. Don't get me wrong. I learned actually like I took an intro to comp sci series of classes when I was in university. And so I learned, and I did stuff before then, right? But like really crassly. So that's kind of why I learned the basic stuff of like scratching more deeper ideas of programming, like algorithms and things like that. But then I stopped. And then I did some work and some research thing that like made me learn Linux. So like I learned the command line through that, like really basic. Don't get me wrong. I'm not good at this. I'm not like insane at this or anything. But what really kind of opened my eyes to like being able to do stuff quickly, like get an idea down on the computer quickly, was learning. I think I learned like JavaScript. I learned jQuery. And then I learned how to hook it up to Twitch chat and like change things on the browser depending on Twitch chat with jQuery. And that was just like, if anyone knows web programming now, that's like just the crassest way you could do anything. That's like just that's the like baseball bat of like getting anything working. And now that interactive streaming is so much bigger, it's great because your code doesn't have to be good for everyone to use it. It just has to be good enough for you, which is awesome. I also, yeah, I've programmed games and stuff in the past, but again, that's like really crass programming stuff. Yeah, I definitely now is a great time to learn coding, and like you can start anywhere, to be honest, because the principles of base, like there are a number of elements when you learn to code. There's like the basic principles. It's like setting a variable. If variable is greater than other variable, change things, right? Like that's really fundamental to like almost every single programming language. After that, the other part of programming that I feel like doesn't get talked about a lot, but is just as important. I think it gets talked about a lot more now that there's so much content out there, which is setting up your environment. So it's my environment here, right, is Sammy, or your pipeline, I guess, is Sammy hooks up to OBS and renders all the scenes and the graphics and everything, right? Or like your pipeline is like setting up Unity and like having your rendering thing work a certain way, or like, you know, when you press Alt Enter, it plays the game, or you do it through Godot or something. Like the actual act of putting the code into something and then something comes out, right? Or with like web development, it's like you have to have a server, like a server program, and then you connect to that through your internet browser, and then that it sends you a web page, and then you manipulate the web page, right? And so all those things, personally for me, that's the hardest part, is understanding like how all of that works, because no one's making a program from scratch. Like for the most part, a lot of people are not making the program from scratch. That's what I got twisted at the first part. I'm like, oh, okay, if I'm making a game, I start with this text file and eventually I'm going to work my way up to the fucking rendering engine. And it's like, that's not it. A lot of programming is like figuring out the tool set that people work first and then like learning that. And then Doug, I think, also has a great video I saw recently that just like talks about his whole pipeline. And it's like, yeah, I have this library going to this library, and then it like goes into OBS. And that's that's his thing. So everyone's is a little different, but you can find the standardized version. That I think that's like another important part of when you learn to code, is one half is like actually learning how to code, and then like the other part is like learning the software that puts it all together. It's like learning math. Like you can do math on anything, but then like where you apply that math, like you write it in a notebook, you put it in a computer, you like, I don't know, do math in your head. That's like a separate skill set altogether. Do I suggest a specific program? It really depends on you as a person, because me as a person, I need to see something react to my code or render in my code really quickly. So things like Godot or things like Sammy, when I like change code, I can see the change right away. Other people may not, that's not the highest value thing, so they can choose something else to start with. But I think the most specific thing you should learn is, I think the thing you should focus on actually is what idea do you want to do first? Like if your idea is I want to make a game, that's a great start, but really focus in on like what experience you want to create. Like I want to make a game, great, but I'm going to encourage you to say like I want to make a first-person shooter, right? That's even better. Then get even smaller and be like, what is a first-person shooter I can make with my limited knowledge today in a day? Like what version of that can I make? And like really start there. That's like it sounds so simple, but just like saying getting 8 hours of sleep and drink a lot of water is simple, not everybody does it. And if you just do that, you're going to be good to go. Want to make an FPS a foot pleasure simulator? That's actually not a bad idea, right? Because this is how that game would work. You would render a foot, like draw a 2D foot in front of the screen, and depending where you click on the foot, you get points. That's a really simple game you could make. Like that would teach you a lot about Godot or whatever engine you make. If you could just pull up a picture of a foot, right? And then click wherever part on the foot and you score points depending on where you click. Like that's not a bad project. And then you could take it further, right? So here's the part of like starting small. Once you get that simple idea done, then where can you take that next? It's like, okay, I have this simple game where you click a foot and points go up. That's funny. What if you added sound effects, right? Depending where you click, like the person behind the person foot, or you get some audio that's like the person getting pleasure from you poking the foot. So it's like, that feels great. Or like, whoa, that feels amazing. Right now you started adding sound to your game. Now what if you add story and then you add save states, and then so you slowly build upon like this very, very core idea. What the hell? I'm giving an example. Someone's asking an example. You keep talking about feet. I'm giving you a relevant example for how to make a game. I'm giving you I'm not saying this is a game I would make or I would like to play. I'm giving you a real example. What is redeeming attendance do? It gets you a knife, which the overlay may not be up because we're coding stuff right now. But then you can go !knife to see your collectibles, your knife collectibles. Okay, you guys were asking like how do you get started coding, and I promise you like the simplest answer is find the smallest idea and then act on it. Axel, thank you for the 100. Find the smallest idea and act on it. Like, let's give an example with streaming, right? Let's say like I want to make an interactive stream with TTS. Find the simplest way to make your avatar talk with TTS, right? And that could be just using stream alerts, right? Which is just have a GIF of a frog talking that plays every time someone redeems TTS. That is like that's not 100% like one-to-one reactive, but it will get you started, right? Like I think as a person, for me, I'm actually not someone who's great at details. Like I'm very broad strokes, get it done quickly, which has its strengths and also its weaknesses. But the strength is I can look at an idea and really break it down to be like, how much can I get away with and still have people take away the majority of the idea? It's like, how much can I how lazy can I be with this idea and you guys still get the whole concept is kind of the whole point, which I think is actually a really important part with streaming. And then over time, I'm like, wait, I can actually do a lot within a shorter amount of time, so I don't have to cut as many corners. But you have to start in the simplest way possible. That's the key. Okay, welcome everyone who just came in. We are making this free look camera. I actually coded a way to control this scene with my mouse. So I'm just moving my mouse around and you can see like, and you can see the scene in the background moves. So it actually is like a camera. You like breaking games? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's like, I've really come into like the idea that like making a game is an art, not because it's like it stirs emotional reactions, but another part of like quote unquote making art that I think is important is like it's whatever you want, right? I think we are so kind of now I'm getting on my high horse. I'm getting on my soapbox. I feel like everything right now is so like objectivity review pilled. It's like, excuse me, this game is not rendering at 120 FPS and it's not meeting these benchmarks and the bosses are too hard and it's not finely tuned in the way that is like objectively the best. This movie, it made me feel emotions 1 minute and 25 seconds in, but a minute 30 in, the emotions went away and it's not proper pacing. It's actually objectively not good. And sure, fine, like I get it. Like a mass marketed piece of media, people will critique. But I think the other side of that is like, sometimes people just choose to make their creation a certain way, and that's fine. That's good. That is actually art. And it's not like you make it suboptimal. What I mean is like, if you create something and you just decide, I just want it to be this way, that's the art. That's important. So like making games is like art in the same way when you're like, I want 3 enemies here and that's it. And someone's like, well, actually it's optimal to have 5 for the player experience. It's like, fuck you, I want 3. Now, you may have to live with the consequences of 3, you know, especially if you're running a studio and it's like, okay, we actually need this game to appeal to everybody and sell 1 million copies. But in the moment, if you're just creating for the sake of creating and you're like, I need this thing to exist and I need it to only have 3 enemies in this one point, that's like important, right? A goofy gameplay with your friends, that's also good too, right? Because if you're making someone for, I think it's also important to make something for like a small group of people, because that's like, you still, it's not the same as like, oh, I need to do this to please someone else. There's a difference between pleasing like the mass market, which is important in some ways, but also like understanding your close friends to a point to be like, oh, they would like this, right? Like when you buy your friends a gift and you put some thought into the gift and being like, oh, they would like this music or they would like this poster. You're not like conforming to be someone you're not. You're like being sensitive. You're like taking your experiences with your friend and like turning it into a thoughtful thing. And that's like what I think making a song or a game for your friends can be like. I mean, these words you hear all the time, but I never really understood them until like I did, you know, did some of those things for myself. Don't forget my feet. Okay. Well, oh no, guys, the camera is locked. Guys, the camera is actually locked. It won't go to the feet. It won't go to the feet. Accessibility is important. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Okay, maybe I'll fix that. Is it this one? No, it's not. Oh. Oh, it is that one. Okay. Let's say 280. What are you coding this with? I'm coding this with Sammy. Sorry, I missed some questions on my really long rant. Okay, now that will be feet. Okay, so this all works. This is Sammy. Sammy lets you take... So here's the rundown. I mean, Valpepper, you might know this already, but Sammy lets you grab your X and Y on the mouse. It lets you grab your X and Y on the mouse. And I'm doing that like every millisecond. So I'm just triggering this button every millisecond, which gets the X and Y on my mouse, clamps the values, and then sets a new position for the source that I have. So this is just like basically kind of like rendering every second. You ever use Sammy? Oh, I think you would pop off with it. How I was doing the moving shots with of the close-ups for the last stream. It's just movement filter. So you know how my mouse is controlling this? Basically, there's a plugin that lets OBS control it, but it's just much more discreet, right? Because you can have a plugin in OBS that says like, okay, you're starting here, now move the scene here. And so I just activate those commands or filters every time I wanted to do the camera control. But really what's happening here is, you know, I'm taking this scene clone, the source clone that looks like this, right? And let me add this color source here. I want to make it blue. Filter. Okay. And let's say this blue is where the OBS scene preview is. I need it to be another color. Let's say orange. Let's say this orange is where the OBS scene preview is. What's my stream schedule? Today I'm streaming a little later for Sunday, like I do Sunday morning, and then Monday evening at like 8 Pacific, 9 p.m. Pacific, Wednesday the same, Thursday the same, and on the weekends I try to get the morning hours. So that's basically it. For me. Okay, so say this orange part is the OBS scene preview. Right, let's say this is the OBS scene preview. Actually, here's what else I can do. Actually, no. Okay, so say this is what you see in OBS. Everything in orange you can see in OBS, and everything outside the orange you can't see. So basically, I have these plugins that will move this whole source clone left and right, right? So if I activate the plugin, it may zoom in and make it look like you're doing a close-up on the character. Or move it to the left and make it look like you're doing a pan. Like that, right? Does that make sense? So that's kind of what we're doing here with the this mouse look thing, except I like enlarge this and then I activate the mouse look. I'm so good at manipulating, non-emotionally, hopefully. Okay, I am going to add another thing here where I want to zoom in and zoom out the camera. Okay, so let's see, source. Okay, so actually here, hold on, filter. Add a move. Let me see if this move source will work in the way that I want. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, great. Ah, okay. Hold on. 5. What is a calculator? 33%. Oh, points. Hmm. For parallax, yes, narrator. That's exactly what I'm thinking. But that's gonna be like that might be another stream. The way that I'm thinking about implementing that, it might be another stream. I'm trying to think about I want to clamp the transformation. Source change, enter point cross. Source change settings. Removes. Source change. I wonder if this will be it for a test. What's up? Hello, what's up, everybody? We are coding a okay, hold on, let's try this. We are coding a free look mouse camera for OBS, so like everything you're seeing on the stream right now is with my mouse. Let me show you what I'm coding here. So I'm trying to set the scale to in Sammy because I think that might be best for control. Not doing anything. They shouldn't be setting the scale. Oh, hold on. Did that do something? Huh. The 500? Like what scale do I need this at? Uh-oh, I messed up. I messed it up. Yeah, I want to make a horror stream. Thank you, Axel, 100 bits. Thanks for coming by. Yeah, today we're just coding. We are just coding. Maybe we'll do some interactive stuff later, but I really want to get this camera effect in. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what happened. Okay. There we go. Huh. Source, set. Source change. Source motion. Oh, you know, maybe movie studio camera test. 5. This isn't really working. Let me see if it's... Source change scale. I'm showing you what I'm... I'm gonna give up on this in a minute if it's not working. X scale. X scaling is set to source 2. Okay. Okay, let me try rotation. Like maybe this isn't working. Okay, wait, that changed the rotation correctly. Oh my god! Wait a second! Wait a second! I can rotate the camera! Wait a minute. I can rotate the camera. Whoa. Wait a minute. I'm trying to make it zoom, actually. I'm actually trying to make it zoom, guys. Like the scale is not working. Maybe it has something to do with this. Okay, so I unlocked the mouse movement. It's just not changing the scale for some reason. 1 1. Transform. Position, size. The size. I need a bigger image. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, don't worry. I think, oh my god, you know what could happen? Is like if as I move left and right, it rotates. That might be cool. Oh. Okay, guys, I actually need to take a really quick break right now, a quick ad break. Let me do a 3 minutes of ads. Let's go to the Joel scene. Oh, shit. No, no, stop, stop.
I'm gonna conquer.
Where's my Joel scene? Okay, here we go. Yeah, every time you type Joel, it will spin, so... I'll be back in 3 minutes. I'm taking a stretch break. Thank you guys. We'll get back to this. We are so close to ultimate camera stuff.
Hello from web.
Hello Raiders, sorry, the alert broke. We're too locked in on our new concept today. So I'm eating a thing, give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys. had some snack. Cardi, thank you for the raid. Yeah, the TTS is inconsistent with that. I need to figure out a better way to do it. Joel, okay, so what are we doing? Okay, so recap what we're doing today. I made a way to control this scene with my mouse. Right, so it's like I have a camera. And now I want to do zoom in and zoom out. Okay, but the issue with zoom in and zoom out is I want to clamp it. Oh god, I have to restart that for some reason. What's up, crazy kitty? Scammer? No. I want to clamp the zoom, right? So look what happens if I zoom too much. Like, I don't want that to happen. I want it to like stay. I want it to stay zoomed. God, this is gonna be so cool. Like, we can make an episode of The Office like this. It's like, oh, Dwight Pepe says something stupid, and then Dwight Pepe says, Dwight Peepo says something like really awkward, and then Jim Peepo's like, wait, no, move over, no. Okay, I guess I have to Oh, 1 second. Wait, you guys, this is a little more complicated than I expected. this is a little more complicated than I expected. Hold on. Because when I move in, I don't want it to be stuck. I want it to be... Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. So we need to add some more code here. Okay, I need to redo the code. All right, what's up, Joelhead? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Just had to take care of something. Everything's okay. Just had to dip out for a little bit. Okay, so take a look at and move this over here. Okay, so I need to, okay, so when I zoom in, I need to, the issue right now is if when I zoom in, like, I want to be able to still move. I should have access to more of the scene right now, but it actually, like, is still clamped. So the peepos are out of the scene, which is not great. So I need to write some code somehow. I need to write some code to somehow increase the boundaries of the scene I can access. Okay, so I'm going to break out all the boundaries here. I'm going to... Fuck. I'm going to delete this code here. I'm going to add and delete this. I don't need this. This is really exciting. Okay. I'm gonna get button variable. $89.57. I'm gonna call it, I'm gonna rename this. Cam boundary. Cam boundary, get variable, X boundary, and okay, there we go. Max. Copy this in, and I'm just gonna rename these really quick so I can distinguish between the two. Okay, and then, so basically this is gonna get the boundary. It's gonna get the XY boundaries from this button here, and that will let me manipulate these boundaries however I want. Right? So let's say, so I want to add a filter here. Cams in. Name this mouse cam zoom out. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a button. I want to make a button that will let me zoom in and zoom out. So when I zoom in, I want to manipulate all these boundaries to be different. So if I zoom in, how will these boundaries work? Okay, because if I zoom in, it cuts things off because the boundaries are too small. I want the boundaries to be bigger. So I want to multiply it. So I want to... I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get all those variables, copy. Oh wait, set, hold on, set button variable. Oh, okay, this is better. So set button variable like this. This will let me multiply those. Oh, whoops. Copy. Max. So I want to multiply these values by how much I'm zooming in. So I think when I zoom in, I'm going to multiply it by 1.5 because that's the zoom ratio. This stuff down here is just for me to reference the name. Actually, I don't need it anymore. Okay. Try that. Let's zoom back out. Reset from default. Okay, so let me run this. Sammy just crashed. Undefined string. Oh. Oh, it's undefined. Okay. Oh, this button wasn't defined. Selecting a number? Oh, I see. Hold on. Locked in a little bit. Sorry, guys. Fuck. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Damn it. Clamp 2 expected and okay, I should show you what I'm doing because it's okay, okay, hold on. So this works. Okay, you know what I need to do? I need to just set a just a test. I need to set this because just in case this starts running without yeah, if this is a way to make sure that if it starts running without any variables initialized, then it's gonna 520. It won't crash. Oh, this is just not fun maintenance stuff. $280. Okay, so this should actually come after I try to grab all the camera boundaries. Because if I grab the camera boundaries, they're nothing, it will automatically set it. That will work. And now this one should work too. Okay, so let's re-enable this button. Was not connected to OBS. There we go. Uh-oh. You attempted to send a non-identified message while not identified. What? Okay, now we're back. We're back. We're back. Filters. Okay, zoom out. And then zoom in. Oh, did that work? Whoa, hold on. Did that work? 1270. No, these values are still the same. 1272, 528. They're not working. Okay, so what should be happening here? Guys, what should be happening here is, okay, look, this is great, right? We got this free look camera. What should be happening here is when I press this button, it should be changing, it should be increasing the boundaries where we can move the camera. Right? Because if I don't do that, look what happens. Here, let me do the demo again. Look what happens. I zoom in, and then like it's too zoomed in. I can't get everyone's face in it, or like I can't move around. I can't move around the whole scene, right? I can't move around the whole scene. And so I need to increase the boundary in which I can move around the whole scene when I zoom in. And this should be doing that. So this is saying set this button variable to 1.5 its time, which is about the size of the zoom in, right? I'm kind of vibing out the math. I need a larger canvas. No, it's not that. It's like this just is not working. Should be. Can't wait. Cam boundary. Cam boundary. Yeah. Did I misspell it? Oh, Y boundary. That's 1.5. Oh, maybe because I need to make it like add a 0.0 here so it knows it's a decimal. Okay, I don't think that worked. Yeah, and these are the boundaries that it's setting. Huh. Why is it not? I feel like it's a really simple answer. IDD is cam boundary. What if I set it? What if I just set it to this? Oh, wait a second. Oh, you know, because I'm triggering. I fucked up. I fucked up because the button that renders the camera movement is resetting the values every single time. That's my bad. That is actually my bad. Okay. So I need to turn that. I turned that off. I turned that off. Oh, you don't see it. Okay. So this button was triggering every time. I used this. I put this in here as like a failsafe. I can delete it now, but that would reset the variables in this button constantly, and that means the new boundaries were not getting set each time. So now the new boundaries should be getting set. Oh. New boundaries should be getting set now. So I can zoom in. Oh! It's working! Okay, it's not 100% because I can't go right. Oh shit. Maybe... What's X boundary? I need to do some debugging. Okay, so if I go all the way to the edge here, why is it not? Mass is 792. Oh wait, so hold on. X local being 792 is... Oh, so maybe I need to make it less. Wait a second. Oh my god, math is weird. Wait. Math is weird. 1 second. 0.667, because that's 0.5 of 1, right? 0.5 of 1. 0.5 divided by 1 is 0.5 by 1. Wait, hold on. If I'm increasing something by 0.5, I don't want to half it. 5 divided. Well, 0.5 of 1.5. That's the problem I'm doing. That's a 33.5 of 1.5 is a 33% increase. That's 33%. So I want 67%. Okay, so that is correct. That is correct. So if I take this back up, 420. Still, it's 420. The minimum needs to be multiplied. 7. So let's reset everything. Zoom out. Okay, this is pretty close to how I want it. Now, zoom in with these, because yes, the minimum needs to be smaller. Yes, this is it, right? This is it, because this is the edge. Right, this is the edge. Is it? That feels correct. Oh. Oh yeah, because I already... Hold on. Now, okay, so now I need to zoom out. Copy, paste. Zoom out. Let me show you the code. So now this is 1.5, 0.667, 1.5. Yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, oh, I think that's it. So like that's fully it. I feel like this is, hold on, I feel like zooming in is not. Yeah, zooming in is still. Zooming in is still, can't go all the way to the left for some. I'm gonna go 0.5 then. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's oh please God, don't break. Yes, it is 0.5. Okay, it's not 0.67. I was high. I was high on some shit. Also, the X and Y. No, this is fine. I don't need it to be. Maybe I need to bind the X and Y. Yeah, maybe I need to bind it to like a smaller part of my screen. Does that make sense, chat? Like, so right now, when I go all the way to the left, I have to move my mouse all the way to the left of my screen. And then when I go all the way to the right, I have to move all the way to the right of my screen. Right? So what if I bound it by like a smaller bounding box, and then I have more control? So how would I do that? Raffle my waffle, thank you for the prime. How would I do that? Scale it off DPI? No. I would have to scale the bounding box and add a new position. Right? Because I think the code would be done in here. Let's see, 5. Right? Okay, so I think the code would have to be done here because I get the boundaries and then get X and Y. Yeah, because now this is moving it literally based on that X and Y position. And I want it to move twice as fast. The boundaries I don't think stay the same, but I want to clamp it. Oh, hold on. I want to clamp it this divided by 2. Right, so it doesn't... Wait, but then if I just retransform it to 2, it won't matter. Wait. If I clamp it... Because I want it to be like a smaller box on my screen. I don't want to go to the edge. So... Oh, okay. So get X and Y times 2.
Hello from web. Hello from web. Hello from web.
Yo, what's up? Sorry about that. The TTS has been fucked today, but he was supposed to say, hello, thank you for the raid. What were you guys doing? Shoutouts. Thank you so much if you have to run for water. Like, because we all say that, and I just automated it, right? I'm making a free look camera in OBS, what we're doing today. Thank you for the raid, by the way. Playing Fortnite 2 hours. Let's go. I am making, like, so all of this is being controlled by my mouse, and I'm making a free look camera so I can, like, film stuff on stream, basically. Okay, so what I want to do, but I want to make the bounding box smaller. So that means I want to, for each, yes. No, wait, but then the bounding areas, yes, are divided by 2, divided by 2. Wait, clamp this. This should work. This should work. It did not work. Oh, the clamp argument didn't work. Oh, you know what? Your phone's 15. No worries, no worries, no worries. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for the raid. Okay, so I think what I need to do is I can't manipulate it here. That's annoying. So I need to copy, paste. Say times 2. Okay. Okay, times 2. Fuck. 955. Oh, I see. I think I have to do it this way. Like, I don't know any other way to do it. Hold on. Can I do transformations in Sammy yellow boxes? Like, that would be... I guess I can't. Yeah, I don't know. All math operation. Oh, in parentheses. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's try that. Hopefully it doesn't break. About to break. Wait a minute. Clamp mouse X between these two boundaries. The local and... No, I don't want to clamp it. No. Clamp it. That's normal. That's normal. Okay, that's normal. Mouse X, mouse Y. Okay. Okay, no, this is the code. This is the code. $16. I'm confused. I'm actually confused. These operations are very confusing. What the? Okay, line 18 is fucked. Oh no, because I added. Yeah, this is one of those things about programming where it's not the programming logic is wrong. It's like the way the program reads the code. You have to understand how it works, and for some reason it doesn't like it. So all this up here, I 100% know works. So something down here is not working. Oh, because the boundary has not been set. Okay, no, but it should be set. It should be set. Okay, whatever. Okay, this is great. This is actually great because right now, oh, it's moving a lot faster, right? It's like way more sensitive. But now the bounding box is like way smaller on my screen. And actually, I should make it even smaller. So times 3. That will make the bounding. Yes. Yes. Okay, it goes. Whoa. Wait, the box is like. Oh no, the box is like offset. No, it needs to be in the center. Oh, it has to be in the center of my screen, otherwise it's gonna be weird. Bounding box. I'll put this on YouTube, yeah. Oh, shit. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. Actually, maybe for the Y, but for the X, I will keep it fully. Wait a second, hold on. Why is the X still going crazy? Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this, because this is good. This is good. Yes, yes, yes. Can we call it a bonding box? Oh, Raffle My Waffle, thank you for the prime. I think we are, I'd call it a bounding box. Bounding box. Okay, great. And now I have these zooms. Oh, yeah. Oh, the zooms. Oh, man, I get it. I get it. The zooms need to multiply this factor here. This factor needs to be its own variable. That local variable. Fuck, dude. It has to be here. That local variable. X mult and then Y mult. Oh my god. 1 to 2 X mult, Y mult. The game programmers in the chat are like, he's rederiving everything from scratch. Okay, and now when I... Xmult. Is it like this? So now I have to multiply the camera sensitivity. Ah, I got a crash. Step 1 on 957. Okay. Oh, because I didn't initialize it. I didn't initialize that button. Fuck! Unable to add. It's off! Oh, whoa, what? Unable to add number 5. Unable to find undefined. Ah, fuck. My dev is day job? No, but I work in technology, so I don't do like software coding, but I do data stuff, which is like pretty close, I guess. I run a lot of SQL. YMult. This YMult doesn't exist. Sorry, it keeps crashing. This is the downside of Sammy's. Like, if you crash, it just fucking dies. YMult. Now zoom out. Fuck! Okay, it didn't crash, but it's not connected to OBS. I'm not connected to OBS. Whoa! Literally, when I press the button, it disconnects me from OBS for some reason. Zoom out. All right, there we go. Hold on, now this isn't working. What the fuck? You know, maybe 1 millisecond's a lot. Maybe I should do 10. One second. Let me check some... Oh shit, hold on. Okay, hold on. That's fine. Fixable. Zoom out. Uh-oh. Oh. $16 milliseconds per frame. What happened? It's crashing. It's crashing and I'm fucking it up. Okay, it's back. We're back. And hold on, I disabled it. And okay, so I wanted to make it so the mouse wasn't so reliant. Wait a sec. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. The operator for of a lot of work for not a lot of gain. But here, let's do this. So I'm gonna set up my iPad so it's much more of a control. So I have more of Actually, I don't think I need my... I should get it. So I can control my camera with my iPad a bit more. Yeah, I want to rename... I'm going to rename this to zoom in. Rename this to zoom out. Then I can press that for the camera blur. And then for the camera blur, I want to actually make it like I want to make it a move value. All right, check this out. Keep this on. See how the blur moves in and out? So on. You guys see that? Is that working? Yeah, okay. Okay, so now as I move it around, I can be like, yo, focus. Oh shit. So now as I move it around, I can be like blurring the background. That's so funny. It's like a fake bokeh effect. That's so funny. I'm gonna adjust that effect a little bit. Let's make it like 500 milliseconds. Yeah, like this. I'm adjusting it. And then I can like zoom in and zoom out. On some more. Oh no, it's like, oh shit, okay. Oh, you know what? I can actually clamp the zoom in and zoom out with like I see. Zoom in and blur everything around them. It'd be like this. That's a good idea, is that it should just default do that. It should just default by default. When I zoom out though, okay. Hold on, zoom in, out. Uh-oh. Okay, when I zoom out, it like fucks the boundary boxes. I guess I have to manually set them, unfortunately. Yeah, maybe I can't have too much zoom. Maybe I just have to, like, maybe in this zoom out button, I just have to trigger the button, to be honest, the boundary button. So I just have to trigger cam boundary, which is fine. Like, it's more discreet, but it's less scalable, but I think that's better for now. Do the lens next. Like a black and white lens. Okay, so if I zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, and zoom out. Okay, then I can... Yeah, and then zoom in, trigger this. Okay, so now when I zoom in, it'll blur the background. Oh my god, dude, that's so good. That's so good. That is actually really good. Oh, damn, that's good. Okay. Okay, then zoom out. Oops. Oops. No, why is it doing that? Fuck. What? Not zoom in. Oh. Okay, so I need a clamp. Okay, I need to clamp it somehow. It's disabled. Okay, here's the next effect that's gonna be really funny. Is we're going to blur. Okay, so what has to happen is the entire camera has to blur. Hold on. It has to be like a motion. It has to be like a zoom blur. A motion. Right? Like, so it's like this, and then... Oh, fuck, I keep hitting zoom out. Or maybe it's just a normal blur. And maybe like a directional. Okay, directional blur. Motion blur, add a... How long does it take to... What's the zoom in? I think it's like 300. 100 and then... Oh. Oh, wait a second. I can actually set it to just combo on its own. There we go. So if I zoom in. Oh. Test it. Oh. Could work. Oh, I didn't save the button. Yes! I wonder. I don't know if it's motion blur though. I think it's got to be something else. Maybe just a normal blur, because it just like goes out of focus. Right? So now it's more like... Yes! Yeah, it's like close up. Oh my god, that's so funny, dude. It's like, I'm Dwight. I'm saying funny, cringe office stuff. Jim Peepo. Oh, that's so good, dude. That's so good. I can shake it too, shaky cam. That is crazy. Yes, it has to be a little shaky. I wonder how to shake it a little though. I mean, the way to shake it's like I'm just holding it and I just have to like micro adjust a lot. Right, I have to micro adjust and then it's like. This is crazy tech, dude. This is crazy tech. Okay, how would I add rotation? How would I transform an X? So I could add rotation by like X and Y tilt. Right, I could add an X and Y tilt. Random camera movement structure. I could try. Like, I could try. I think it's gonna really mess up. This might be really risky, but. I could do a random number of like. Adjust. Like, let's say 0.3 to 0.4. Allow floats, and then. Multiply it? No. Maybe just add it. Yeah. Don't multiply it. That's gonna be. Oh wait. Uh-oh. That worked. Needs to be 04. Feeling it's. Oh, one is multiplying. So it's not noticeable, so I can increase it. Actually, for say 3 to 10 pixels. Yeah, this is like it's actually shaking though. You can see it's actually shaking. Yeah, I think we'll take the randomness away from now. I want to do rotations. I'm actually going to just comment them out because I don't want to get rid of them. It's just like not. Oh, it's still jittering. How can I do a rotation? Like X. Because I want to set the rotation. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Pull up the code. Source change rotation right here. This, we might, how do we do the X and Y? Let's copy, paste. Transforming a coordinate to rotation. By pi, right? Something by pi? Map, mouse, move. Chat GPT, help me. What's a simple way to map mouse coordinates to light rotation left and right? Give me it's monitor 8 no more than 20. Bro, chat GBT's fucking yapping, dude. Shut up. No. That's way too much. Hold on. That's way too much. Give it too much. One formula. 40 times X over W. Huh. Okay, so it's X, I have the X coordinate divided by the width of the screen, which is the boundary of X. Right? Okay, that's the boundary of X. Minus 0.5 divided times 4. Here. Please don't break. Fuck! It broke. Okay, line 29. Had it undefined a string. Oh, set local rate. Okay. Oh, because, yeah, lamp is not there. It's like Scratch? Yeah, I need Scratch level. Need Scratch level programming. Oh, I see. I can't see it fully on my... Oh my god, it's happening! It's happening! It's rotating! Oh god! Oh god! It's like glitching a lot. Oh no, why? Is it the source change? Found footage. This is really good. What if I want it to rotate less than factor there? Yelling fast. Oh. So funny. Yeah, I don't know why it's flashing. I think that's an OBS thing. Like I'm probably manipulating the position way too many times. Yeah, it might be like that. It might be like I'm just manipulating the position of the thing way too many times that it's like doesn't like it. Oh, now it's not really flashing. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, zoom. Yeah, I have a feeling it's the way it has to. Okay. The min-max 0 is being reset to 0. Oh, wait, you're right. The min-max being reset to 0 might be... What does that mean? But I feel like it's correct. What do you mean the min-max being reset to 0? Sorry, I'll turn this off. Yeah, what is being reset to 0 here? Value limitation makes it go back to 0. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't even know. I'm just sensing. Oh, hold on. Not letting me uncheck. Okay. Well, oh, okay. No, it's still. Okay. Thinking. I'm trying, yeah, I think I 70% understand what you're saying. I'm trying to understand where that would happen though. Because I don't think it happens anywhere. Hello? Sorry, I'm eating. Sorry. I just had a bite. I'm having great scream. The TTS, that is broken for some reason. I understand what you're saying. No, I totally understand what you're saying. So here I'm setting the rotation angle to 0. Also, Pigeon Child, check it out. Hold on, let me turn off all this stuff. Yes, we figured out camera movement. Check this out. Check this out. Zoom in. Ah, this guy. Zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. We have the technology. Yes, zoom out. Okay. The problem is right now I'm trying to get rotation in and it's like really glitching out everything. And I wonder if I just need to clone this and have all this other stuff like, yeah, don't have a set position here. Yeah, maybe it's just the clone. Oh, and hold on, is it? It's not blinking, is it? Wait, did I fix it? Oh, it's still blinking. Okay, fuck. Still blinking. Maybe if I set this to like 100 milliseconds, it'll gonna be way less smooth, but it's not terrible. Yeah, that's not terrible. Wait, okay, so how slowly can I get away with this? Oh, fuck. Say 80 milliseconds. Oh, yeah. Okay. Tutorial on my rate alerts work. You mean like the zoom out? I'm thinking about it. It's just not in the immediate docket, but yeah. There are other tutorials on like how to zoom in, zoom out. It's the same principle. Ah. Okay, new strat. Actually, not new strat. Dang. So close. The rotation is not bad. Just blinking. I like the idea that it's like being reset, but I don't know why. Maybe with the rotate. Oh, you know what? Maybe with the rotation, like maybe it's a Sammy thing where the command of the rotation is like resetting the position each time. Move source rotation. Okay, maybe this will work. So, Okay, let's try this. I have an idea here. That previous rotation to... That do it? Did that do it? Is there any blinking? Make it bounce back. I think making it bounce back would actually make it blink, but I think this did it. I think, yeah, I just had to use a new... Oh, no, if I move too fast. A little... It's way better, though. Actually, so let's maybe if I change this to 200 milliseconds, it'll be smoother. Yes! Wait, this is the hack because, okay, so what is happening is this command is actually animating a move, but it only animates it every 200 milliseconds. So I'm actually not like telling OBS to do something as frequently. And then it's animating it in between the last move too. Oh wait, this has like a this has like a specific janky effect to it. Whoa, it has like a delayed janky effect. This is so good. Oh, it still blinks though. Yeah, let me try like 500 milliseconds. This is gonna be kind of fucked, but yeah, so the animation needs to be like slower. Oh, it still blinks. Come on. Yeah, this is better though. This is way better. Ah, it's still doing it. Still doing it. Yeah, but no. I mean, like it's happening enough that it is a little annoying. Oh, my phone. You know what? Let me maybe just try setting. Okay, well, yeah, I'll take that advice. Okay, and let's... Here, I'm just gonna count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I think it's deterministic. Deterministic somehow. I think if I shake it a lot, okay, it doesn't seem to be a problem if I shake it. Huh, okay, I mean this is solid. Okay. So this is I'm gonna set a button here that will let me turn on and off rotate. 8. Rotate equals not. And rotate. Eight equals 1. Oops, nope. Yes, now I can control when it rotates. Like now I can like control the shaky cam and then I'm like turn it off. And I'm like shaky cam and then turn it off. Oh, you're right. Hold on. It gets weird. Okay, it gets weird when it does. Okay, I see where it gets weird. It gets weird when you're right, when it resets the position, but exactly when it resets the position is a mystery. Okay, guys. Let's just do a quick test, and I think we got a lot done today. This was excellent. Welcome, everybody. We made a free moving camera in OBS, which I can use for making movies. We'll continue this tomorrow, actually. We'll do interactive stuff tomorrow. Okay, so I'm enabling TTS. Actually, the TTS is fucked all that. The TTS is fucked again.
Hello from web.
There we go. Okay, let me get out of the way now.
Oh my gosh, Shindig's kith me on the anime rooftop. So it's like found footage, cell phone footage. Hello from web. Hello web, caboting me against the fence.
Can you add the laugh track at Shindig's?
Oh lord, we got ourselves into the simulation.
Why are we on the rooftop again? Can we get much higher? What's up web? Today we're going to see how fast a penny can fall.
Finally, a new season of High School of the Dead. YAY.
Dude. Guys, this is looking so good. Holy crap, dude, this is looking so good.
Shindig's Costco.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah. Welcome everybody. My name is Markiplier and today we are playing anime in real life. Is this Reality Bites but as frogs?
Let's get the bar overlay here. Oh, let's get the cinematic overlay. Let's get the cinematic overlay.
Forgot this. I'm about to send a zombie Pepe so we can live out our high school isekai fantasies. Can I get a close-up on my outfit? It slays.
It's looking good.
It looks like that one scene in The Matrix, where Neo dodges all the bullets. Maybe it's the suit. Mr. Smith, Shoot the bullets and I'll dodge like the Matrix. Stand back from the ledge, my friend.
Hold on, it doesn't
Where is
rotate
Truck
the other
Cohen
way.
when you need him? Why did you have us meet on the roof after stream?
Can we make a Kiju movie?
Who's this looks cool? Whoa asterisk.
Well, why doesn't it rotate?
I killed a guy in 1983. Is this an after-school special? This stream is changing uwu.
Oh, because it's... Oh, I think it's the clamping.
This cameraman is whack. Is he drunk?
Do you like stew?
Lost footage Peepo. Yes.
Oh, it looks so good. Hold on. Let's add some retro effect filters.
I shot a man in Reno just to watch die. Grand Theft Auto for drunk camera. OMG, this is the backrooms. Love it.
Oh, can we do NTSC? Yo!
Meow.
Shin, did you forget the stabilizer? Yo, we playing bodycam today. Let's make the Zapruder film. Here.
Do a flip.
Kumiik 1 hyperclap. Hello and welcome to the early 90s. Let's make a horror movie or monster movie with this.
Yes!
How high up is this roof? Kinda wanna jump.
And I ran. I ran so far away. And I just could not get away. This is like those Japanese found footage horror movies LUL.
Going to play Sega Mega Drive after school.
What's up, my people? We are going to do the challenge.
Looking like a 2000 straight to video found footage.
Let's remake Cloverfield. Shindigs, you can be TJ Miller.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville and this is Jackass.
Can I jump the fence?
No. Okay, what else can we do?
Slasher found film movie when? I wanna be the monster.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Remove this.
Mr. Slusho. Shindigs, you literally have analog filters. Can I commit arson? Hey Shindigs, what kind of movie are we making with this? Are we ready to look for the Blair Witch yet?
Yo, wait.
What are you using for text-to-speech?
Sammy.
Arson is a good idea.
I ain't gonna stop you. But you gotta know something. The government's considering the hammer down protocol, which means they are willing to let this whole area go.
Were we dropping boys? Everyone's talking about making a horror movie. I want to see a Spirited Away style anime movie. Is there going to be a how-to for this? This looks really neat.
It's
LUL.
a little complicated. I'll try. What do we got? What else do we got? CRT.
The simulation is breaking. Shindigs. Am I serving?
Let's make an arson anime. Arson the world to the ground.
Let's make a Godzilla movie with this. Let's do arson OS Frog.
Yo!
It looks so old now. I can't believe how well this came together. This is insane.
You look so old now.
Can you fix the focus, Shindig? Can you make a second scene with the camera flip around so you're up close to your face?
That's a really good idea.
Dang. Yes, I'm bald. You don't have to keep focusing on it. Oh god, we are glitching out. AH.
Remaking content warning entirely in OBS. Just a little possession, it's fine.
One second. Hold on, for the immersion.
Radio interference from the 13th district. We're losing connection. Headquarters, stand by. Why are my eyes trying to leave my skull?
I feel so immersed.
Why do I feel like I need to be degassed all of the sudden?
You need date, time text in the corner for immersion.
I do.
Let's see how the TTS pronounces mlem.
Is this real life? Banana Republic.
When do we actually get our scripts?
What is our documentary going to be about?
Wait, let me get in the footage.
Shindigs, you're breathing too close to the camera, MIC. Can you back the peepo up, please? Wow.
Guys, I'm in
Let's
the
do a
movie.
Junji Ito
Wait,
style
I'm in the
thing.
movie. Guys, I'm filming.
Noise?
Guys, I'm filming right now.
Man, this one's going to go insane.
Yo, say hi. Hey, say hi.
This is so cool.
Guys, say hi.
Congratulations.
Oh, I need like a little arm sticking out, like I'm holding
Dropping
the camera.
his new music video.
Who is this loser nerd listening to our conversation?
Hey,
Guys, let's either do monster or horror with this movie.
we have to make a horror movie.
Hey, did you know that only 12% of current viewers are following Shindigs?
Yo, you tell him. You tell him. Hit that follow
This is our
button.
dumbass loser documentary.
Hit it.
Shin, you don't got our looks, you need to stand behind the camera.
I'm in front of the
Should
camera
the
now.
filters be on the group instead of source? I.e. the camera zooming instead of zooming into the screen.
Did you know about something called Twitch Prime?
Wait, am I getting paid for this?
Well, I thought you were doing this as a favor.
Can we get some primes in the chat?
Yeah, listen to this guy. This
The
guy.
value of this
guy
film
knows
will
what's up.
skyrocket when people find out I actually ate both of you 20 years ago.
Shinny Diggy, I need a raise.
I don't have the budget.
This plus the VTube Studio multiplayer WVTubers would go crazy.
Yo, you're right.
I expected a 10% royalty. I need my makeup guy on set at all times.
Shindigs, your phone looks really weird and bulky. How do you even text with it?
Yo, you want a phone?
Ever since you got this Sony Handycam Mini DV camcorder, you've been recording everything we do. Number 20%. Well, can we have nuggies at least?
I'll take my pay in nuggies.
SMH.
Shin, sorry about my 500 other brain cells saying fuck you anyways. Hit the follow button or I will
Oh
set
shit,
your
no,
house on
no,
fire.
that can't be it. Okay, hold on.
Can we have a mukbang stream? I can't.
This isn't gonna become one of those found footage horrors, is it?
The void is devouring us all. You do have Tiger Lily's template. I want mine half and half. Half niggies, half cold hard cash.
I want to be in a car.
Nuggies. This looks like Vine video now. Half what? No.
Going straight to YouTube Shorts with this.
Hold on, let me see if I can get a...
We doing Vine now, Shin.
I think interlacing would be
Shin, get a better
accurate.
phone. I look dada in this filter.
Let me drive a 18-wheeler.
One typo, need our movie stardom.
I don't know what would make it look
That's
more authentic.
unfortunate, LMAO. Oh, at some header and hearts bubbling up and you got a live TikTok.
I have the attention span of a brick in the White House. I'm getting flashbacks from something that never happened. I'm chasing you too. What?
Give me a fedora.
Make it even skinnier for phone. We should shoot a Vine video with this. Shin, is this the part where I come out from the bush and scare y'all?
It's too bright.
Why are we being blessed by Jesus' wrist? Shin, focus on the feet.
What's the name of our boy band again?
Oh no!
Johnny's in America.
Fuck it,
No
it's
tax
Kane
at the
Lynch
will. No
too.
one needs anyone. They don't even just pretend.
Feet make numbers. We got hacked.
Oh, frame skip, frame skip.
Shin, can you keep a
Yo.
steady hand, you muffin?
Who's the faceless guy in the background?
Oh wait, no, this is good. Guys,
Get some 3D glasses.
guys, I'm filming right now.
Shin, delete your search history now before the hackers see it.
Guys, I'm filming right now.
Which TikTok dance is your favorite?
It's a new thing. It's
Mine
called
is the
TikTok.
Renegade.
I don't know. You're supposed to dance in front
Chat
of it, I
later
guess.
higher.
Hi YouTube.
Would never watch this in my life. Hi OMG.
Yo,
Shin, we need a wide drone shot.
I can only zoom in.
Everyone, my name is Peepo and I am about to kill a family of 4 while watching my favorite
Whoa,
streamer.
whoa, hey, let's focus on this guy now.
Barbecue bacon burger.
I could use some of those.
Shin, can you do a tutorial on how to Dougie?
You want me to dance?
Shin, how is your search history?
Yo, hey,
I can't miss a single Shindig stream. I even have to watch it whilst behind the steering wheel.
okay, don't do that.
Need the tiny Temple Run window in the top half of the phone screen for real authenticity.
Oh.
Hey guys, I'm filming for YouTube right now.
Shin, I showed your search history to your mother.
Hey,
Shin, you made the TikTok, you got her dance now.
I'm filming right now. Anything you want to say to YouTube?
I got my propaganda. I got revisionism. I got my violence in high-def ultra-realism.
Anything you want to say?
I said right foot creep, boo, I'm walking with that heater.
I can see the future.
Yo, what's up? Hey,
Give
Peepo.
this video a 1-star rating. Subscribe.
Sigma Sigma on the wall, who's the skibbidiest of them all?
Okay, we are done filming.
Let's bring Godzilla to this video.
Okay, guys, that is it for
I
today's
dropped the keys
stream.
of the roof.
Thank you guys so much. This was incredible.
What up, Shindig viewers? We got a
Wait,
crazy
I can
tutorial
make the
for you
camera
today,
fall.
but first remember to hit that like and
Yo.
subscribe button.
That's amazing.
Legendary stream. Don't you fucking dare leave. I can't. Fix the camera.
Okay, yeah, I'm turning that off. Let's raid out. I gotta figure some other stuff out today. Ooh, hey, there's a guy I've been wanting to raid for a while who's live right now. They have a really cool overlay. I should probably feature them on Twitter. I bet we have somewhat of an interesting history. They did a starting soon screen for me a while back. May have played Among Us before too. Let's raid Raznat. I think that's how you pronounce it, Raznat. They have a really cool cartoon. It kind of is like a comic book overlay. It's the closest way to say it. That's oversimplifying it a bit, but really long time viewers will recognize their art style as the Riznat, maybe. Yeah, you may recognize their style from an early starting soon screen. So looks like they're a BRB right now, but stick around and ask them to give you a tour of their overlay, and make sure you follow them on Twitch too. Stream tomorrow, we will be doing something interactive and filming. Today was just a work day, but today was just a work day, but tomorrow we're doing something interactive for the evening folks. Thank you guys, have a good Sunday. Lots of progress today. Super excited for this concept.